welcome back to Advanced Lectures for 2025 of July. We're almost finished. This is more of a psychology video. I'll just let the charts play. Give you something to look at. But yeah, it'll be a short video. Those with lower attention spans probably don't watch, because I'm not going to be showing you anything new. So we're talking about, should you trade on holiday? That's the topic. Should you trade on holiday? Put it like that, and we will that'll do. And to do even one more, do it on this screen. Here we go. Should you trade on holiday? So yeah, I'm just going to let you guys watch this screen and watch price print whilst I talk. I just got back from holiday. I was there from Monday to Friday. I did bring my iPad in case I wanted to trade and get on the call with the guys. However, I did not. Originally I wanted to, but I felt as if it was not beneficial for me to trade. One reason why I wanted to trade is because I just had a really good week, really consistent week of trading, and I thought I think it was 2 weeks, so maybe 2-3 weeks of really consistent trading. Had holiday then, felt like I deserved the holiday after progressing a lot, and bought my iPad thinking, okay, we'll continue the streak. However, I did not touch the charts, I did not look at the charts, I did not talk about trading or the charts to anyone until today. Technically until, I didn't touch it yesterday. Yeah, so today, the first business day back. Reason being, when you understand how the charts work, that gives you a lot of excitement of, okay, I can do this whenever I want, wherever I want. It doesn't matter what or when, whatever day. I can do it on holiday, do it at home, do it at the office. I can do it whenever I want. Now that comes with a lot of power, because you can walk around knowing that you know how to trade these financial markets and you understand how they move. If you know how they move, that's all you need to know. Now the reason that I did not trade was for the same reason of knowing how the markets move. If I know the markets move, sorry, just got home from football. If I know how the markets move, why would I trade it on my only week off? Now, obviously you can take time off of trading whenever you want, but I'm talking like actual holiday, like a break from trading, not just like I've decided I want a week off trading but still be at home with the charts in front of you. I had a booked holiday with my friends and I did not think about trading once. And did I miss it? Not really. I don't think I miss trading. Um, in my mind, any outcome possible, I could picture how it would have played out. Like if we was gravitating towards new all-time highs, I know that we aren't just going to go straight up. We're going to come up, rebalance, come up, rebalance, come up until the eventual target is met. And when I say come up, I mean come up off of an imbalance, then form a new imbalance to come down to, and yeah. So I know how these markets move. It's simple. It's two concepts. I don't need to share strategy. This is mainly psychology, but like if you've organized a break for yourself, you do not need to look at the markets. Have the time off, spend it with your friends or whoever you're going with, and just take a break. Like I genuinely can't stress enough that week off was so good. Not thinking about trading when it's funny because I think before, if I knew how to trade how I do now, I would be on it 24/7 because you can. Obviously, Nasdaq is a regular trading hours is a different market, but Nas indices trades 24/5. Same with Forex. Bitcoin you can trade 24/7 and crypto coins. But yeah, it's open 24/5 pretty much. So before where I've had the vision of once I know how to trade, I'll do it anywhere I want. And yeah. But now that I'm better as a trader, I don't need to get the validation from trading. Like, yes, it's cool to know how the markets move and to be right, but I don't get validation from the markets anymore because I just know how it works. It's like knowing how to drive a car. When you're learning and you start getting better, you're going to drive a car and it's going to feel good and you're going to get a validation because each day you're going to learn. But once you know how to drive a car, there's no validation from driving it. It's just that's how it is. Same for my trading. So you know how the markets move, whatever strategy you use, once you fully understand how it moves, you don't get any validation from trading at all to move this. It's just knowledge. Like I don't know, it's a weird one because, like I was saying, you would assume that now that you know how to trade, you'd want to do it more. But for me, this week off was needed, and it had just been after I'd really progressed the trading and such consistency, executing with my well, I suppose you could call it strategy, but I wouldn't really call how I trade a strategy. I'd just call it knowing how it moves. I would not call it a strategy. This isn't a strategy. It's a fact, and the fact cannot be denied. But yeah, should you trade if you've got a holiday or like? I'm not talking about bank holidays. I'm just talking about holidays in general, like a booked holiday, a break away from the charts with your friends or family. No, you shouldn't. If you're still grinding, maybe you'd want to because you're still hungry. For me, I've been hungry for so long that now that I know how it works, I can be hungry but tame my hunger to the point where I know when to not eat. I don't need to eat on holiday if I've already got food. You know what I'm saying? Kind of. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Maybe I've yapped. I'm quite tired, but if I've yapped, I'm sorry. I'm not sorry, but I wanted to make a psychology video to break it up rather than go straight back into charts because technically I've had a break for a week. So what I want to do is have this video come out tomorrow at 9:30 then I'll start uploading market reviews and stuff for today, and then lectures and stuff. But yeah, I'll probably film the market review today. Obviously, as you saw at the beginning. Took a nice scalp. We are automised. Could have held longer, but we only had 3 contracts on. Bottom ticked, and then partialed at where we should be. As you can see, wonder if 10:20 macro will pump before 10:30 open. What do we do? 10:20 pumps up, takes, then chop down, come down. At 10:30, bang. 10:30 opens, open high, low, close. So that's a little bit of sauce, but I didn't want to make it price related. But yeah, I'll leave it there. I'll go and post this video and then start recording market reviews.